Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning about how we can connect the Bitmoji account to our Canva and have really cool Bitmojis on our flyers, our logos, our Instagram stories, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, I already connected my Bitmoji, my Instagram, and another account that I'm not so aware of. But if you want to connect, you will have to go all the way here where it has the three dots and connect more, say more there. Sorry. And then you can see right here there's the Bitmoji. You can also connect your Facebook, your Instagram, your Dropbox. But today we're just going to focus on the Bitmoji. So you go ahead and click there, and mine has already connected. But what will happen for you is that if you have not connected, it will ask for your Snapchat login, and you will go ahead and have fancy, really cool stuff like this. And you can just go ahead and find something. I'm just gonna scroll down, and I like this one. So, yeah, I'm gonna add it to my little template here, and that is that. And then go ahead and save it and be cool. I think I want to change the whole thing, just to make it a bit cohesive. And you can take away from the color palette here. So we're going to change all of that to this. And I also want to change the background, but I don't know to what though. Let us see. No. Not really. Yeah, that looks cool. That looks fine. Yeah, that is really nice. And that is how you connect your Bitmoji account and make really cool graphics like so. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe.